Every motorcycle owner loves the thrill of riding a motorcycle. While some people ride motorcycles merely as a means of transportation, some people ride for pleasure. Whatever the reason, there is always the possibility of ending up in a dangerous or deadly accident, no matter how unlikely you think it may be. In an accident involving motorcycles, it is very likely that the rider will end up with a catastrophic or life-threatening injury. On colliding with another vehicle, the motorcyclist will not much protection against crushing injuries, and this can lead to severe trauma that even the best motorcycle helmets will not be able to protect you from. For this reason, motorcyclist insurance and attorneys are very important. If you are ever involved in such a road accident, it is better to enlist the help of an efficient motorcycle attorney to handle your case. The attorney will be able to deal with both the emotional and financial distress and possible litigation. Never handle your motorcycle accident case on your own. It is not advisable to handle your legal case on your own. If you attempt to do this, it will be difficult to sue the other driver, or submit your insurance claims, especially when you might be suffering from some injuries yourself. If your motorcycle accident was not the consequence of your negligence, with the help of an efficient attorney, he or she may be able to prove that the accident was due to the negligence of the other party. This is something that may be clear-cut in some cases, but in some situations it can turn out to be difficult to determine. Oftentimes it is the motorcyclist who is held responsible for any accident that occurs with a motorcycle. Find out more about the competence of different lawyers. The right motorcycle attorney will be able to fight your case based on witness accounts of the accident, the police report, and whatever physical evidence they collect at the scene of the crime. To choose the right attorney for your case, you will have to do some research in order to find out more about the competence of various attorneys in handling your case. This can be done only by talking with various attorneys. Choose a motorcycle lawyer who has a good track record. If you come across any attorney that avoids your questions, or offers arbitrary answers, this is an indication that you should look at using a different attorney. You should choose a lawyer who can not only answer your questions, but who is also more than ready to provide you with contact details of old clients for reference. Find out all you can about the cases that your attorney has handled, and how many of them he or she has managed to win for the client. For obvious reasons, the attorney who has won more cases is the better choice for handling your motorcycle accident case. But when choosing your attorney, always ensure it is someone who you trust will do their best for you and your case.